It will easily be met. It's sort of a target that you have when you don't really want to have a target. On one hand, it was a shame to see that GDP targeting was back. The CCP dropped it in 2020 amid the coronavirus pandemic, and growth targets have been causing dangerous imbalances in China's economy, particularly the build-up in debt and leverage as they sort of push sectors like property to try and reach those very high targets. Now, because of the bounce back from 2020 that we're expecting in China, actually at the EIU, we think growth is going to be something like 8.5% in 2021. So 6% will easily be met. So while I guess it's disappointing for the medium term that China hasn't permanently gotten rid of GDP growth targeting, at least the number for this year is so low that it won't further fuel those imbalances. And in fact, the fact that it's so far below what China is likely to achieve just at a canter indicates that economic policy is going to be a little bit tight in China, and that fiscal and monetary support will be coming down.
Sure. And so to strike that balance between delivering on high quality growth, but still deleveraging, and really taking that cycle down, taking that curve down, what would be a sustainable growth number, growth projection for China?
I mean, China is now an upper middle income country. Its GDP per capita is roughly similar to a lot of countries in Eastern Europe. So growth is getting harder for China, and the Communist Party know this, and you see this in some of their focus on new areas such as the rise in nationalist sentiment. So trying to you no longer keep people happy with the government by delivering sky-high growth rates. So now they're tapping into that nationalist sentiment, which of course raises risks around places like Hong Kong and has been quite damaging. Sorry, around Taiwan, and has been quite damaging to the Hong Kong economy as well.